Alright family, so here is EURUSD right now. So your boy's looking to trade EURUSD. So basically it's been dropping all day long. So this is a whole day's worth of price action so far. It's been dropping, right? So now I'm gonna try and catch it on a spin. I really want to target this area of liquidity above this area down here. So what I'm waiting for right now is I'm waiting for price to drop back into this area here before taking it back up. So my stop loss for this is gonna be roughly about let's just call it 5 pips. And then we're going to be taking it up to this level down here. So what's happening really and truly is this, right? So you have to remember something. Beneath all these lows, there's money, right? Beneath all these lows, there's money. And then when we got down to here, there's a little small bit of consolidation, right? And then it just ran price out. So if I zoom in now, you can see beneath this low, there's also money, right? And so the short-term high here, this move down takes out the liquidity beneath this area down here. And as you can see, it didn't just tap it, it literally ran it out. It ran it out completely. So now that short-term low has been taken, right? That short-term low, the liquidity beneath here, and all liquidity is people's money. People put their stop losses beneath these lows down here, right? And so when I say what they put their stop losses there, what I mean is this: when they're looking to buy a price up, where are they going to put their stop loss? Here, yeah, beneath this area down here. Then they run it out, and then when it starts moving back up again, where are they going to put their stop loss? They run it out. Where they're going to put their stop loss in this area, they run it out. Where they're going to put their stop loss if they're looking to buy from here because you believe it's going to be a buy in this area down here, what happens? They run it out. You see it, and they continue to do that all the way so they're ready to start turning around. So now check this out: smart money reversal. We got the equal lows, we get the run of the liquidity. People's stop losses are down here, so they snatched all their money, right? So now they're looking to reverse. So this short-term high down here, right, runs out the liquidity, right? And so now you have to wait for the short-term high to be broken above. So when it came back above, it broke above, as you can see, it broke above. Once it breaks above, you leave it to do its thing. Do not chase the trade. Do not try to catch entries on this move up already. Wait for price to come back down, fall back into a discounted price, and then you take price up, okay? And then you buy it back up, stop loss beneath the low, right? So this move here is looking at a 1 to 12. So my actual targets for this is I believe 1.1950. So that's gonna be my actual targets for this. Yeah, down here, this is my target. So it's only as like a 60 pip move, but this is still a beautiful move, right? Still a beautiful move. So family, once it gets down into my zone, I'm gonna let it do what it needs to do. But once it gets down into my zone, this is where I'm gonna be looking to take my buy down here. So guys, I'm gonna update you guys shortly. Alright family, so just to give you guys an update right now, I've jumped in down here only because the DXY, if I go to the DXY now, you can see the DXY has tapped into my zone, okay, and it's rejected. What I was waiting on was I was waiting for price to tap into the zone. Once it got into that zone, I was waiting for EURUSD to get into my zone down here, but it failed to do that. So basically when the DXY got into its zone, my zone was just down here, right? So this is what your boy was waiting on. So right now, looks like the DXY might be testing it again. We're gonna wait and see, but literally I'm in the trade right now with a 2 pip stop loss. And guys, we should get a push up. We should get a push up that we want. This is what we want. This is what I want to see. And so far, we're good to go. But guys, I'll give you guys an update with that. And like I said, you guys know where the targets are. You guys know why I'm in this trade right now. Ideally, I would have wanted it down here, but the DXY, man, this is the be all and end all. If this thing is dropping, right, EURUSD is rising, standard. So just a quick update regarding EURUSD. So yeah, I was right to jump in from this level down here. Look at this family, I nearly got stopped out, man. I mean, like, look, it came so close. So my stop loss was at 1.185. It came roughly about a pip from stopping me out. This is why you have to keep your nerve and not just jump out the trade early, guys, right? So it came literally a 1 pip away from stopping me out. Then it moved, man. Then it moved. We're Gucci, we're fine, we're blessed right now. And we are targeting the P's, guys. So the money is up here. The money's up here. So this is the drawn price right now. Trust me, today's it's been a slow day. Lots of consolidation down here. In that New York session, lots of consolidation, as you can see. But we're finally getting that movement, right? We're going for those London stop losses. Let's go. Yes family, back again with another update. So right now EURUSD is just making higher highs and higher lows, and we're going for that liquidity. As you can see, I jumped in down here, literally survived this trade, right? And then it started breaking up, doing high highs and high lows. Right now for the DXY, I'm waiting for the DXY to get down to this level down here. Okay, so this is like an institutional play. So where they run out liquidity down here, yeah, I'm waiting for them to return back down to here to mitigate their position, right? So this is why EURUSD, we're riding this up. So technically, I know I was saying 1950, but even if I get up to here, I'm good, man. This is like the evening right now. So we're moving on to the afternoon / evening. So guys, I'm just gonna be happy taking my P's at this level. Once it gets up here, I'm gonna take probably about 90%. Then I'm gonna let the rest ride to see whether we can get that extra 10 pips. One of the biggest things for me that really helped my trading was taking partial profits. Sometimes it would just get to a certain point and then reverse, right? And then I'll be super cheesy because because I haven't taken off any partials. And then what I would do, use this trade as an example. Let's just say the trade got up to this level down here. Price will start to turn around, okay? And then once it's turning around, I'm still holding on to my original position, my original full position, and hoping for it to hit a target point. You guys know this, that they don't do that sometimes. Once you start seeing that reversal sign, oftentimes they're going to come back and hit your stop loss or your stop profit if you've moved your stop into profit, right? So guys, one of the biggest things for myself, like I said, is taking partials. So this is why I take partials at these areas down here. Anyway, family, I'll give you guys an update once we start moving again. All right, family, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete this one now because it looks butters. Okay, boom. So guys, check this out. EURUSD, it's the next morning right now. Literally, it's 8 o'clock or 8:10 in the morning, right? And so I just want to quickly show you guys how many pips I'm up and where we're going right now. So far we are up how many pips in total? Roughly about 35 pips. We're targeting up here. This is where the money is, so this is where they're looking to get to. We should be able to hit that today. Just to give you all a quick update right now, see, EURUSD, look, I'm taking it the other way too, man. I'm not leaving nothing on the table right now. So literally, there's liquidity up here. They've run that liquidity up here already. I've got my little reversal, right? So it's pulled up, created a lower high. And now I'm going to take this all the way down. I want to take it hopefully down to this level down here where I would literally scale off roughly about 90% of the trade and let 10% ride. I'll obviously risk free my trade. So if it does come back to come and tag me out, I'll still be in profit with that risk-free trade as well. So guys, yeah, right now we're still going to run out the liquidity on the bottom side right now because people were buying up. They've been buying up, as you can see, right? So we're going to run out them, and then I'm going to look for them to come and take my targets down here. Here's my targets roughly above the zone over here. So this is what I want. So I want them to run it out first, and then we move. EURUSD so far has been all right. It's been decent, man. It's been decent. So you guys know I'm in from here, okay, all the way up here. I jumped in for a sell as well over here. I moved my stop loss into a stop profit at roughly about 23 down here. So when it came back up, it came and tagged me out, as you can see. But I also entered a buy down here. So technically now I'm in 2 positions for buys. I'm straight towards the liquidity up here. So guys, this is what I'm waiting on. This is what I'm after right now. This is like a 3 pip stop loss, and we're going towards liquidity. We're going to snatch these highs first of all because there's money up here as well. We're going to take all of that, and then we're going to come and snatch all of this stuff too, right? So guys, this is the aim. That's the update for EURUSD. Your boys out of that sell, got stopped out in profit. So we're still an 8 pip move, but look at that. The risk to reward is the most important thing. It was a 1 to 4. My stop loss was roughly about a 2 pip stop loss, going for roughly about 8 pips. So it's roughly about a 1 to 4.8 or 1 to 5 ish, as you can see, right? So this is still a beautiful trade. That's just the beauty of having a sweet R to R, right? So guys, same thing here. I did not jump in on this move down. I jumped in literally when price came back up into this area down here. This is where I jumped in over here, right? So guys, I'm going to give you an update. This is now turned into a very, very long video. But guys, like I said, man, we're going towards liquidity. We are riding. Let's go. All right, family, so here's another update in EURUSD. So like I said, so like I was saying, check this out. EURUSD is absolutely going ballistic right now. It's breaking through all kinds of barriers, snatching all kinds of liquidity too. And remember what I said, family, the liquidity is above this area here, okay? So 1.1950 is what your boy is targeting. We are so close to that now. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this one for now because we don't need it no more. That trade has already been closed off, and you know, it's no longer active, okay? So now guys, check this out. Like I said, boom, this one right here literally was 11 pips away from RTP. I am going to scale off once we run this. If I was looking at this at the time, I would have probably knocked off about 8% already, but check this out, 80% off here, probably 8 or 9%, and then we're going to let the 10% ride to 1.950, right? So guys, yeah, we're so close right now. We're literally about to smash TP. I'm moving my stop loss down here. I'm moving my stop loss right over here. Okay, I'm not playing no games. I'm not giving nothing back to these markets, right? I'm moving my stop loss to 1.1930. So for USD, 1.1930. And that's on both positions, by the way, because I've got 2 positions there. Boom. So but your boy just moved both of those. We're good, we're good, we're good. Let's go. We've locked in profit all the way to this area down here. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little box here just so you guys know where I've locked in profit to. So we've got this position here, okay, this position here so far, we're riding to up here. We're about 32 pips up. And then for this one over here, we are about 13 pips in profit. All right, family, so EURUSD got to the zone. I got to the point, got to about 40, right? So this is where I scaled off 80% of my position up here, okay? I've scaled off 80% of my position right up here, right? So guys, yeah, I'm gonna let the 20% ride to see whether I can get to 1.1950. If so, that'll be blessed. If not, it's all Gucci. I've scaled off most of my position, and as you can see, look, it's come close to it, but it's not actually run out the highs yet, okay? So guys, there should be at least one more push up. The very last update with EURUSD. As you guys can see, we have smashed TP, okay? This one is smashed TP, that one and that one. So we have smashed TP. It went to 1.1950 to the T, well, 51 to the T, right? And then yeah, they obviously took your boy out of the trade, and we're good, we're good, we're good. I had to wait for one whole day for this to happen. It's happened now. Everything's blessed, everything's Gucci. Guys, this is trading towards the money. This is trading towards liquidity. Once you trade towards liquidity and you scrap everything else, you see the charts differently. You see everything differently. I told you they're gonna do the most before they get here. They're gonna make it look like things are reversing. They're gonna make it look like all kinds of stuff, right? But guys, look at this. Their intention is to get to the liquidity, and they've done that. All right, family, so this is the giveaway right now. So once you click on the link below, you're going to be taken to a screen like this. What you need to do is go forth and read what the giveaways are and everything else. Log in via one of these options down here. So now I'm just going to give you an example of what a login would be like if you logged in via email, right? All right, family, so once you've logged in, right, if you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see 5 different actions, right? 5 different actions down here. So this is my wife's account, right? So cool, that's why you see her name there, right? So guys, here are the different options. So you can visit myself on YouTube, you get 1 entry. You follow me on Twitter, you get 2 entries. So there should be a specific tweet that you need to retweet, okay? You get another extra point. Then visit my Instagram, okay? When you visit my Instagram, obviously follow the page as well. You get 1 entry for that. The moment you've unlocked about 4 entries, then you can get the bonus entry, which is right at the bottom where it says check out the merch, right? So as you can see, if you click on it, you can't do nothing. It says you need to complete 4 other actions first, right? So the moment you've completed 4 other actions, then you can click on the bonus one and then get that bonus entry. Let's go. So guys, that's the giveaway. Make sure you do all the actions to boost your chances of winning. Hopefully you guys have been blessed by this video. Like I said, guys, definitely subscribe to the channel if you're vibing with this content. Let's get your boys to 50,000 subscribers. When I get to 50,000 subs, family, I'm going to be doing a giveaway to 50 members of the liquidity gang. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Like I said, let's get this video to 300 likes. I know the liquidity gang is strong. Get yourself some merch, represent. Let's go.